Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bread dough from scratch. First, gather your essential ingredients. 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 1/2 cups of warm water, 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Accurate measurements are crucial for success. Remember to proof your yeast in the warm water for about 5 minutes until it becomes foamy, indicating it is active and ready to use. Once your yeast is proofed, combine the flour and salt in a large bowl. Gradually add the yeast mixture to the dry ingredients, stirring until a shaggy dough forms. Turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface. Now, knead the dough vigorously for about 8 to 10 minutes. This crucial step develops the gluten, which gives your bread its wonderful structure and chewiness. The dough should feel smooth and elastic. After kneading, lightly oil a clean bowl and place your dough inside, turning it once to coat all surfaces. Cover the bowl tightly with plastic wrap or a damp kitchen towel. Now, find a warm spot in your kitchen for the first rise, also known as bulk fermentation. Allow the dough to rise for 1 to 2 hours, or until it has visibly doubled in size. This process develops flavor and texture. Once your dough has completed its first rise, gently punch it down to release the accumulated gases. Turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface and shape it into your desired form, whether it's a classic loaf, dinner rolls, or a baguette. Place the shaped dough onto a prepared baking sheet. Cover it again and allow it to undergo a second rise for about 30 to 60 minutes, or until puffy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.